Simon, a solution engineer at Nutrient. Today I'm going to walk you through the code available in our awesome Nutrient repo, how to set a radio button default value, and also for the checkbox. I have opened the playground link here. If you can see, when the document is loaded, the default checkbox yes is selected and also all the checkboxes are selected. So just to check the value is yes, and this value is no. Similarly for the checkboxes, we'll check all the values. So since they have a value yes, they are all checked. Okay, we'll look into the code. First, we need to load the document with the basic toolbars, and I have added a form creator also just to check the form field values. Once the document is loaded successfully, we need to get all the form fields, then check if it is a radio button or a checkbox. If it is a radio button, I'm looping through here using for each loop, getting the form fields. If it is a radio button, then I am setting the radio button which has a value S. Similarly, for the I'm getting all the form fields and I'm looping through using a for loop here into the form fields. Then I'm checking for the checkbox form field. If the value is yes, I'm setting it. Wherever the checkbox values are yes, I'm setting that checkbox checked. So this is just logging into the console and catching the errors if there is any. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.